Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. So, the Nubia Red Magic 5G, the gaming smartphone first official image after passing through China's certification agency TINA early this week, we now have our first image of the Nubia Red Magic 5G, which we are added to this certification listing. The device bearing the NX659J model number will come with a dual color frame, with the left side sporting a blue coat of a paint while the right hand side will to it a red finish. I make a month ago of this upcoming Red Magic 5G smartphone a video. You can check it out, this video, on my channel. So the back of the feature a metal casing with the visible grills of the heat dissipation on the top and the bottom. There is also a long glossy strip that houses the triple camera at the top, the Nubia Red Magic branding in the middle, and a logo on the bottom. Taking a looking at the side, we see another air vent on the right alongside what appears to be capacitive shoulder button, while the left hand side also packs an air vent, alert slider and volume rocker. The TINA listing also revealed the phone will support a 6.65-inch display and a 4400 mAh battery. I think the battery is little bit down. Maybe I thought the battery of this smartphone will maybe the 5000 mAh, but let me know your thought. Is this battery is suitable for this phone or not? Let me know your thought of this 4400 mAh battery. One of the Red Magic 5G key selling point will be the 144 Hz display. I also talking about this 144 Hz display on my previous video, and making it the world's first smartphone to support a panel with such a high refresh rate. The device will powered by the Snapdragon 865 SoC, which is latest Qualcomm chipset, pairing with up to 16 gigabytes DDR5 frame. This DDR5 frame used in the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra also, and an air-cooled fast charging solution. It prevents the phone from overheating while charging and maintain the battery longevity. On the camera front, we are expecting the 64 megapixel Sony IMX686 sensor. Charging will top out at the 55 watt. The phone was originally supposed to launch at the MWC, but as the event got cancelled, it will be revealed domestically in China as soon. We will update more about this smartphone, but make sure to subscribe our channel and like this video. Enable the bell icon for latest video notification. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.